Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hard Reason Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to plug your Logitech Brio 4K camera to your PC. It might seem difficult, but it isn't actually. At first we have to take a cable, which is the USB type C to type A, and we have to plug this cable straight into our computer. Here, as you can see, we have our cable, which comes with our camera. We have to plug this camera cable here on the back of our camera. Now we can place it, and the second part of this, we have to plug into our PC. I'd recommend the USB 3.0 port, but if you don't have 3.0, you can plug it to 2.0. And now, without any applications, third-party applications, you'll be able to use your camera. Of course, you can download the application. We have a video for that of how to download the application, but it's not necessary. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.